to some mathematics. In this video, we have to find k if k raised to the power k all raised to the power 1/3 minus 27 to the power 81 is equal to 0. So let's see how we are going to solve this. First of all, we need to move this part to the right hand side. Okay, so we are going to add 27 to both sides. So we have k raised to the power k raised to the power 1/3 minus 27 raised to the power 1 plus 27 raised to the power 81 is equal to 27 raised to the power 81. Yes. So this side will go. We are going to have k raised to the power k 1/3 is equal to 27 raised to the power 81. Okay. Now, let's raise both sides to the power 1/3. So we are going to have k raised to the power k 1/3 all raised to the power 1/3 is equal to 27 raised to the power 81 all raised to the power 1/3. Now from indices, a raised to the power m all raised to the power n. When an indices is raised to a certain power, then we have a raised to the power m times n. Okay, so the same thing, we are going to have k raised to the power to 1/3 times k raised to the power 1/3 be equal to 27 raised to the power 81 times 1/3. So this will go here 27, so that we have k raised to the power 1/3 times k raised to the power 1/3, which is equal to 27 raised to the power 27. Okay, now the same from indices, a raised to the power m all raised to the power n can be written as a raised to the power n all raised to the power m. So we are going to have k raised to the power 3 all raised to the power k raised to the power 1/3, which is equal to 27 raised to the power 27. Now, if x to the power x is equal to y to the power y, then it implies that x is equal to y. So this implies that k raised to the power 1/3 is equal to 27, and we want k, so we raise both sides to the power 3. So this one, so that we have k raised to the power 1/3 times 3, and this 27 can also be written as 3 raised to the power 3 all raised to the power 3. So this will cancel, so that we have k being equal to 3 times 3 is 9. 3 raised to the power 9. That is our answer. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.